Hi guys, this is Aubrey from Brian Startle, and today we are going to visit KidHQ.com.
Hello, and welcome to your first day at work at KidHQ. I'm Miss Bartlesby, the Chief Fun Officer. Before you get to work, you need a job title. Do you want to be a play pioneer, a funfluencer, or an awesomeness agent?
A play pioneer, funfluencer, or awesomeness agent? Let's do funfluencer.
Enjoy your jetpack.
Enjoy!
Hello, friend. I'm Rooney. I'm here to help you be a funfluencer.
Let's go to the Bobby. Let's go to Bobby. Bobby Dream Floor. Here we are. We're at the Bobby Dream Floor.
Dream house. Come on in. I'm working on my blog and need your help. Oh, and by the way, this is advertising. Really awesome advertising. Okay, let's choose what to vlog about.
Let's vlog fun in the Dream House.
You can be an explorer, the great outdoors, ultimate closet, or fun in the dream house.
Let's do fun in the Dream House.
Yes, the dream house. We are going to throw a pool party. It's going to be perfect for the vlog. Fashionistas are waiting for you at the house. They need your help with the guest list. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Oh, and I almost forgot. Once you get started, anytime you need me, just press the Hey Barbie button. I'll stop whatever I'm doing to say hey. Have fun! This is going to be awesome!
So right now we are in the Bobby Dream House, and we're going to make a decision.
That's a tough one. What do you think?
Who should we invite to the pool party? Let's go with the mermaids.
Let's go with the Dreamtopia crew. Good thinking. What is a pool party without mermaids anyways? So how do we invite mermaids? Watch and learn. Bye.
When did you get a dolphin?
So they're partying now.
What a great party! It couldn't have gone better. The party sharks, they're here to crash our party.
Oh no, the party sharks!
What are we going to do?
Well, it is common knowledge that sharks hate baths.
Is it?
So, we could utilize what they fear most. Bubble bath.
Or maybe we should just call the shark catcher.
Should we do the shark catcher? Yes.
This is a job for the shark catcher.
Did somebody call the shark catcher?
You're the shark catcher?
Yeah. Where are they? Okay, here it goes. Hey, sharks, it's time to go. Pick up your fins, we gotta roll. There's a pipe down the road that's super flat, and I'm pretty sure they got a fish that works. They love that song. Thank you so much. We did it!
We just saved a party.
Wow, you did an amazing job saving the party. It's going to be epic vlog content. But there's still a lot more to vlog about. Let's pick a new topic.
Should we finish our vlog or should we do vlog more? Let's do finish vlog.
Okay, let me edit the vlog together. Okay.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye!